to my channel. So if you saw my video, my home is a squishy collection, and I said that I'm gonna do a video packaging all my squishies. But I'm not doing that anymore, so yeah. I'm just gonna show you how I package them in their packaging. So I have this biscuit of Halloween, and I put my name. I'm just gonna erase that because it's erasing by itself. So I'm just gonna pick something. I packaged my pink donut on this heart bag that I got from Line. So yeah, I packaged it in this package. Next thing. Okay, my 2 carrots, I packaged it in this heart bag too. And then my macaroon, I packaged it in a heart bag. Then I packaged my panda bun in this heart bun thing. Heart panda bun. So I just made a random squishy. I don't know the name, but yeah, I packaged it in this heart squishy. Too much. Then I packaged my roti toe, my cake roll on this heart bag too. Yeah. Last but not least is my green donut. I packaged it in this cake roll, in this heart bag too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye. Bears, say bye to all my squishy.